hold that support strut horizontal.
Since I'm the judge,
Sprite Cranberry.
Guff, I don't think I should help. I have to stay impartial.
No stage, no contest. No contest.
Sprite Cranberry.
Tails, Knuckles, get to it.
Thanks for keeping Amy busy so we could finish.
Anything for...
Sprite Cranberry.
What's that? Don't! That's a load bear.
Sprite Cranberry.
Who builds with a...
Sprite Cranberry.
Eat 'em and weep, losers! I'm winning this year's cook-off with my super secret
Sprite Cranberry.
recipe.
Sprite Cranberry.
Lucky guess.
Who told us these were one of a kind?
Sprite Cranberry.
I never said they were one of a kind.
Sprite Cranberry.
The crate of those peppers you're selling is one of a kind. Nah, don't even worry about it. I got another
Sprite Cranberry.
truck.
Well, that was poorly timed. I suppose you...
Sprite Cranberry.
I'll just get your money. I keep it in a place called...
Want a Sprite Cranberry?
Can one of you dears help a poor little old lady?
No!
I deserve that.
If I'm gonna win that hat, I gotta go find a unique...
Sprite Cranberry. 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 Want a...
Hot with an indescribable flavor. You might as well stop stirring now.
Not so fast! Witness now, if you dare, the
Cranberry.
5,000!
Copyright Eggman Industries, patent pending, all rights reserved. Some restrictions apply.
This little beauty extracts the very essence of the chili pepper, creating a chili dog of unprecedented potency.
Want a Sprite Cranberry?